those who have tuned in before, enjoy. For those who've never seen this before, good luck. Hope you like it. Click subscribe. Enjoy. What's up, everybody? This is Country Boy Auto Supply, and I'm your Country Boy, and I hope you're ready for another exciting episode of Country Boy Auto Supply. So, last week, y'all saw me when I left off with Project 5.0. We, took the angle grinder to it, chopped the pipes off and whatnot, and I got it sort of fit on the engine stand. So, here we are again this time, and I'm going to go ahead and show y'all, how to tear it down at least. We're going to get at least to the short block, so y'all check it out. Y'all, late night Country Boy edition up in the lab and whatnot, and, we're going to try to break us a motor down for y'all. So, this is that 5.0 that got left on my doorstep about a couple weeks ago or whatnot, and as y'all can see, it's got pine straw and grass. Hell, a chipmunk might run out of this. I started to tear it down. I took the distributor cap off, playing around a little bit, took the wires off of it. But y'all give me a few minutes and I'll have it tore down for you. seen me go from angle grinder to short block, so stay tuned and you'll see where this project goes. I'll take Project 5 a little bit farther. Click like, click subscribe, click the notification bell, and you can keep up with this build, and hey, we'll knock out some more. So until next time, Country Boy out.